What are we doing?
We're driving to Moab right now, coming from school. Well, we made it to the cabin, and we'll be up early tomorrow morning hunting big bucks, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, well, opening morning is coming to an end. We saw one good buck this morning, but another group of hunters scared him off. But that's right, fine. We're just in the next little area here. Yeah, we're just gonna go down into another spot today, and then might kill one there, but stick with us. Me and Jed are going down to the bottom, and we're going to come back up. Everybody else is up on top, but we're going to see if we can't scare anything up and out. But we're going to go in and see if we can't get a deer. We're just trying to be loud because we want to scare something up so they can shoot it, but yeah.
It's lit, man.
Don't talk like that.
What am I doing?
Talk.
Okay. I'm trying to... Here, I'll throw it. Ready? I was left-handed. Give me credit. That just broke. An update from this whole day so far. We woke up at 6 o'clock and came up here at 6:30. Started coming up here. And during rifle season, there's always hunters. You're always going to see some. So, but what we call the rock, which is up there, we decided to go sit up there, see if we couldn't see anything. And we did. We saw a good 4-point, but it's too far, and we couldn't tell the others.
It has to have a head. There's bones everywhere.
So Hunter's looking at bones right now.
Well,
Probably find a dead head. Bones everywhere. Dude, what if there's a freaking dead head right here?
I'm looking for it.
So, what turned out to not be such a good morning, we decided to go back. Now we're down in the bottom. We're just walking through an old riverbed.
Oh. What do you think it is? Yeah.
Yeah. So Hunter was finding some bones. We started following a trail of just bones through a path, and then we just found the head. Never mind. Sorry, the video ended. But here's the head Hunter found.
The cow. Elk. Oh, shoot, that's another one. What the freak?
There's a bear down here. But for real, we did see bear poop up there somewhere. And Lost Life Outdoors. Okay, so Hunter just found another dead head. Another cow elk skull. And there's bones everywhere. All down here. So, the rock. If you can see them up there. Hold on. That is the rock. Had do. Huh?
Show me the camera. Show me the camera. Did y'all just see that catch?
See that throw?
Hey, I got down the hill. What are you wearing, Jared? You look good. You look good. Look at that sun. Look at what we're in. This is like fall.
Can't believe it.
Ready?
I'm always ready.
It's a tourist party. There's a bar on every corner. Alright. That's day one of rifle of the. That's day one of 2017. When I was gonna say archery, rifle deer hunt, opening morning. We could have killed a big buck this morning, but I didn't bring my gun. So, yeah. What happens, happens. Yep. The video ended. But yeah, that's day one. we're gonna be back at it tomorrow morning, and then the rest of the day, and then a little bit of Monday, and we'll be gone. So we have like a day and a half to get it done. But
Now we're gonna go to bed. So. I'm getting me a pair when I get home. I'll buy one of these. Hey, how are you gonna hop over the fence?
okay, we're out. Second morning. And we'll be back out in about an hour. We're going up for the evening hunt. And we're gonna kill one, huh, Jared? Seems like me and Jared always walk through the sagebrush. Not the sagebrush, oak brush. Hey! Hey, Jared. Right?
How come you guys didn't shoot those bucks?
Which one?
3 of them right down there.
We've got a bunch of deer down here beating everybody. I seem to get to the edge of this ridge and I maybe have 300 to 400 yard shot. So okay, so right, there's a fence line right there.
Yeah.
And I was looking at the ones that you spotted. Looked over in the sun.
Over there. Yeah.
Looked over in the sun. There was 3 points, and I was shooting at the biggest one. And as soon as I shot, they all kind of stood up and looked at me, and I could see it go over him. So I just put it right on him, and boom! And I just saw dirt fly up.
So you didn't hit him?
I don't know.
They ran?
No, they just walked right into sagebrush.
All three?
All three of them.
So
I shot 4 times. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
And as soon as I saw that dirt fly up, I just went over in the oak brush. I was like running on the freaking oak brush. And I was trying to get it to film, but it wouldn't. I could never get it on it. Alright, we're just out here shooting these deer, and yeah, sunset. So where I first shot at them was somewhere right there. Then they ran up right here, and I got another shot. But I can't freaking hit them. I shot over them because I thought they were too far. And then I put it right on him, and I shot right underneath of him. But yep, they're just sitting right there, but it's just too dark to tell which buck it is. And there was a doe with them, so I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go down to that tin camper, and then we're gonna get picked up by the road on the road. But yeah, dude, we're done. Here, will you hold this for a minute? Keep it on me. Running out of storage space. Take a picture of me like vlogging.
I'm trying to.
Look what we got. Can't really see it because it's like basically dark, but it's bad.
Come on, guys, let's get that four-wheeler moving and go make your bed.
Hold that.
No.
Hold it. We saw some deer this morning. Here, you want to talk?
What are you doing?
You talk. Yeah, we just saw some deer this morning. That's, I think they were just does, so. Other than that, I'm gonna get this all on video. Ow, you got my nose. Jared, are you tired? No. Okay, well, that portrait thingy is at the cabin. Yeah, I just got done editing the video from this past weekend. My dad drove us up there, so we had to leave because he had work, but we might go back out this weekend, we're not sure, but it's a long video. Yeah, but I got it all edited, ready to go. Some people asked me on Instagram, like on our story and stuff, like what kind of gun I had. It kind of looked a little weird. I had a pump 270. It's pretty bad. Yeah, it's my dad gave it to me a long time ago, and yeah, it's awesome. You can just pump, boom, boom. Another dude asked if Jared was hunting because he already hunted archery deer. No, he was not. He was just there to film. So don't get all mad and all that. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. And see you guys later.